Hello, this is Greg from Westwood Hills Nature Center. We're at the new Interpretive Center. One of the many things that we're excited about in this new building is our transplanted bog. We'll talk more about bogs in a future post. Today I want to share with you someone else that's excited about the bog. Can you see the nest there? So soon after the bog was installed, Mallard made a nest here. And she's got 8 eggs. Mallards typically lay anywhere from 7 to 10 eggs. She's been sitting on this nest for at least 3 weeks. They sit on their eggs for about 28 days, and that entire time there's been a lot of construction going on. We took advantage of a time when Mom Duck wasn't here to show the nest. So we're expecting the eggs to hatch later this week, and hopefully we'll get some pictures and videos of that we'll share on Facebook. But either way, join us again next Wednesday. Thank you.